Just a reminder, you can find all lesson notes at pocketjapanese.com, my little handmade self-study website. Okay, each lesson we look at 3 kanji. Firstly, let's look at this lesson's kanji and their literal meanings / what they represent. Our first kanji represents outside. Be aware that this one can look quite different depending what font it's written in. Next we have front / before. In this lesson we're going to be using it to say something is in front of something else. And finally we have behind, back, after. We're going to be using this one to say something is behind something else. Just a note, it is a bit complicated to write, so make sure you follow the stroke order, otherwise it can look a bit off. In these video lessons, we focus more on learning and reading words rather than studying all the readings of each kanji just because it's a bit more practical. So now let's look at some words that use the kanji. Our first word is soto, which means outside or out.
Soto.
Soto.
Next we have mae, which in the context of today's lesson will mean front / in front.
Mae.
Mae.
We also have namae, which is name.
名前。
名前。
And lastly we have ushiro, which is behind / back.
後ろ。
後ろ。
Let's add a bonus kanji because it really fits in with this lesson. We have naka, which is inside.
中。
中。
Now let's look at some example sentences to see these kanji in use. In front of the shop, there is a bank.
店の前に銀行があります。
店の前に銀行があります。
Inside the department store is a supermarket.
デパートの中にスーパーがありません。
デパートの中にスーパーがありません。
Is there a river outside the school? A bit of a weird question, but...
学校の外に川がありますか？
学校の外に川がありますか？
What is the nurse's name?
看護師の名前は何ですか？看護師の名前は何ですか？
Police box is behind the post office, and just as a note, as I know everyone has a different idea of police box in their head, it's just a small police station.
交番は郵便局の後ろにあります。
交番は郵便局の後ろにあります。
Okay, let's do some reading practice. You have 10 seconds to read the following sentence before the answer is revealed. If you need more time, please pause the video. The cafe is inside the library.
カフェは図書館の中にあります。
カフェは図書館の中にあります。
The car park is in front of the hotel.
駐車場はホテルの前にあります。
駐車場はホテルの前にあります。
The lawyer's name is Ogawa.
弁護士の名前は小川さんです。弁護士の名前は小川さんです。
My university dorm is behind the hospital.
私の大学の寮は病院の後ろです。
私の大学の寮は病院の後ろです。
Let's test your writing. Ideally, grab a pen and paper and write the following sentences. The answer will be revealed after 10 seconds, and you can pause if you need more time. If you don't have a pen and paper, type in the comments. The volcano is inside the forest.
火山は森の中にあります。
火山は森の中にあります。
Outside the restaurant, there is a tree.
レストランの外に木があります。
レストランの外に木があります。
Behind the apartment, there is a car park.
アパートの後ろに駐車場があります。
アパートの後ろに駐車場があります。
My older brother's friend's name is Yamada.
兄の友達の名前は山田さんです。
兄の友達の名前は山田さんです。
Mum's car is in front of the high school.
母の車は高校の前にあります。
母の車は高校の前にあります。
Let's also test some past kanji. Write the following sentences. To the right of the mountain, there is a forest.
山の右に森があります。
山の右に森があります。
To the left of my home is a stream.
うちの左に小川があります。
うちの左に小川があります。
Lastly, let's test how well you can differentiate similar kanjis. You'll have 5 seconds to read the meaning and pick the correct kanji. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support me further, you can like, subscribe, or check out my website pocketjapanese.com for handmade pocket Japanese lessons.